Hey DIY decorators, I'm Mark Montano, and today on Make Your Mark, we are making over an old Ottoman that was destined for the thrift store. And we're doing it with the help of our friends at Fairfield World, and we're using Fabrifuse from E6000. Now before I forget, I want you to thumbs up if you like this video, and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project, or you just want to say hello. Are you ready? Let's make over an old Ottoman. I like to use Fabrifuse because it's a great fabric glue and it stabilizes the cushion wrap. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Grab a copy of the Big Ass Book of Home Decor and I will see you next week. Bye.